Rainbow fluorite is a captivating mineral, renowned for its vibrant, multicolored appearance, and is a popular choice among collectors and crystal enthusiasts. This stunning gem is typically found in various locations worldwide, including countries like China, Mexico, and the United States. Rainbow fluorite owes its striking spectrum of colors, which can range from deep purples and blues to greens and yellows, to its unique formation process. It forms in hydrothermal veins when hot, mineral-rich fluids seep through fissures in the Earth's crust, depositing fluorite crystals along the way. The diverse coloration is a result of different trace elements present during its growth. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, rainbow fluorite is also believed to possess metaphysical properties that promote clarity, focus, and emotional balance, making it not only a visual delight, but also a source of spiritual significance.